So I'm delighted to sort of meet you all today and to introduce you to Central Biotechnology Services, or CBS. Perhaps what I should say at the outset is that I will give a more detailed introduction to CBS within the Biomedical Methods training course. So I'm not going to go into any detail today about the sorts of facilities that we offer. I'm just going to really list them because there just isn't time to cover that today. So it's CBS is located primarily across at the School of Medicine, although we do have one or two instruments elsewhere. And the idea really about CBS is that it provides high quality core research facilities. So we have state-of-the-art technology platforms with expert technological and technical support for these platforms. And these platforms are, the sort of mantra really is that they're academic-led for academic needs. So the facility provides or CBS provides a sustainable resource for these sorts of technologies. So we have an internal business model and we have cost recovery, but you don't really need to worry about that too much. All you need to do is get the permission from your supervisor to use these resources, I guess. So in terms of facilities that we offer, they can sort of be broken down really into sort of protein analysis, I guess, nucleic acid analysis, and also sort of more cell-based analysis. So starting off with the cells, we have a range of different flow cytometers, and we've also got a facility for cell sorting. We have multiple dedicated confocal microscopy facilities, and also a facility for electron microscopy. There's a histology lab that intercalates with the NHS as well, and there's also a platform for high-throughput cell-based assays, the mesoscale discovery system. On the genomic side of things, we have DNA sequencing, we have qPCR, we have facilities for the analysis of RNA. These are the Affymetrix platform, which some of you may have heard of, also more recently an Illumina platform, which beyond that can also be used for looking at things such as copy number variation. On the protein side of things, I actually run the proteomics facility, and this is involved with gel-based or gel-free protein identification and quantification using mass spectrometry. So that's the bit I look after. And there's a facility for protein production as well. So all of these facilities, and CBS as a whole is ISO 9001 accredited, which means that we've got all of our quality sort of in place really. We offer regular training courses, so users need to be trained by CBS before they use any of the equipment that we have. We offer sort of help and advice for projects, either during the projects or also for the design of projects, and that of course involves troubleshooting and also support with, just following on from what Leslie said, with data analysis, which is obviously key and incredibly important to get the most out of the data that's produced. There's an online booking system which is used to invoice PIs. And just very quickly, I won't sort of go into this in any detail, but it's a sort of very easy to use booking system. You have to register for it, and what you do is you sort of get sort of email correspondence as to when you have certain bookings, and also for certain more heavily used pieces of equipment where there are free time slots for you to potentially book the technologies. So why use CBS? Well, it provides access to well-maintained, fully serviced equipment, and it enables you as researchers to utilise state-of-the-art technology that wouldn't otherwise be accessible. And so we've got this model of really aiming to combine technical support for the equipment with, to an extent, sort of academic consultancy as well, giving you advice about the experiments that you maybe wish to perform. And as I've already said, it's really a sort of the aim is for it to be a sustainable model so that we can bring in new technologies as well, and that certainly is the case. So this is the last slide. The key contact for CBS at the moment is our CBS administrator, Charlotte James, and she can be contacted through this CBS admin email here. That's a web link for the booking system, and this is our website. And if you don't have a copy of this presentation, there are hard copies just at the top of the room, just up there. So that's all I wanted to say. I don't know if anyone has any questions that they want to ask, otherwise I'll just thank you for listening to me.